In this course, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your own WordPress website by yourself in one day.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Now, this is not going to be like the most beautiful website in the world. This is just going to be the most basic thing that you can start your business with. But it can be the first day, right? So this is just stuff that you would do in the first 24 hours. Of course, you should keep working on your website, but it will be live, it will be able to get traffic, you will be able to begin promoting your products on day one. So this is the basics. It's not, the idea for this course isn't to be like the best WordPress course in the world. The idea for this course is to be practical enough and simple enough to walk you through all the basics so that you can get up and running without any distractions, not too many bells and whistles, but practical, real world stuff like, boom, you need to get your business up and running, you have an affiliate business, a blog, you need to start putting up pages so that they can begin ranking in Google search, and the earlier you do it, the better. So that's why this course is aimed to be, get your website live in one day so that you can get it live in one day. And I have a lot of clients and they struggle with putting up their website, it takes time and waste their time, and this is sort of like the way to solve that so that you don't waste time. You go as fast as possible to having a live site and to be able to promote your business. So if you have any if you wanna go fast with your business, this is the course for you. So sign up and let's get started, and let's get your website to be up within 24 hours.